India. Look, let me first say what is the solution. The solution is, it has to be with the aspirations of people of Kashmir, because they have suffered tremendously. And, you know, since I'm always against military solutions, this idea that 600,000-700,000 Indian troops will somehow, some sort of solution will come out, I think that it is a completely counterproductive policy, because India is losing the hearts and minds of people. There's massive human rights violations going on there. Wherever you send, whenever you send army in civilian areas, there's always going to be massive human rights violation. Always the police is the one who can deal in civilian areas, never the army. The army is not equipped to deal with civilian areas. Hence, every Pakistani military operation has failed. Starting from East Pakistan, to 3 in Balochistan, to 1 in Sindh, to the tribal area of FATA, they've all failed in the sense that they've not produced the results. So, and neither is India going to win the hearts and minds of people by having 600,000 troops there. I think it is in the interest of India and Pakistan to find a solution now. For India, they are alienating the people of Kashmir, and whenever they will be given a chance to express their will, I can tell you there will be more people now wanting independence from India than even before, because they've been alienated by army presence there. So therefore, it's in the interest of both the countries to have peace, Pakistan, India, and peace means the will of the people of Kashmir. Now, why do I think that there is a solution? There are 3 ex-foreign ministers in PTI now. And all 3 ex-foreign ministers tell me that we came pretty close to some sort of a solution. During, not the Congress, but the BJP time. We hear that they almost came to a solution which was actually very viable. And I think that it is possible. I mean, because there were back-channel contacts, so I can't tell you exactly what they were, what the solution was, but there is a solution there. It is possible. It can happen.
Yes. No? Yes.